Hi, my name is Carl and today we're going to be replacing blower motor on 2006 Lincoln Mark LT. Alright, let's do it. The blower motor is accessible from the passenger side. Open the door, remove any floor padding that you have. We need to remove the right hand lower A-pillar trim panel, which is this piece. In order to do that, we have to remove this plastic piece. So what you do is just pull it up and it should come right off. Then you're ready to remove the right side pillar cover. Remove the fuse box cover. Remove the rubber gasket around the door. Just pull on it until it comes off, and then just pull on the panel towards you. Once you have that done, we need to put the carpet and the padding away from the blower motor. So just gently pull it without tearing it. Put it on the side. There are 3 screws holding the blower motor. One is just up front from your view. One is on the right side, kind of behind the motor. And the third one is on the left, far side, back, behind the blower motor. To remove the blower motor fan screws, you're gonna need 8mm wrench. I like to use these flexible wrenches as it's much easier to get to the back screw. Now, remove the 3 screws holding the blower fan. Once you have the screws out, you're gonna wiggle the blower motor down and kind of like wiggle it out. It's a tight fit, so be careful with it and take your time. Sometimes you even have to remove the lower padding to get the piece out. Once you have the blower motor out, put a screwdriver behind the tabs that's going to release it and pull. They should come right out. Once you have it out, you want to inspect the blower motor wheel itself. Usually that's what's causing the vibration or the noise. There is no debris in this one, but what I found, there is a crack in the wheel itself. So we're going to replace the whole thing, since the blower motor looks like it's original and the vehicle is 2006, so we don't want to do it twice. So if you plan on keeping the vehicle, I would recommend replacing the whole thing, including the blower motor. If you want to save money, you can get just the wheel cheaper, either eBay or Amazon. I think they have it, and just replace that. Alright, but like I said, in this case we replace the whole thing. Once you have the fan in, install the 3 screws that you previously took out. Don't apply too much force because they screw into the plastic, so you don't want to, break the plastic tab. Just enough so it feels nice and taut. Then don't forget to plug in the blower motor fan connector. So once you have your carpet down, you're gonna install back the kick panel cover. Just align it, pop it back until you hear it. Put the fuse back cover on. Click it in. Once the cover is back on, just install the rubber gasket which goes around the door. sure it's in there all the way. And finally, install the carpet cover. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos coming. Thank you for watching. My name is Carl. See you next time.